Yes guys, it's Bishnu here, back with new video. So how you all doing? Hope fine and great. So just follow me and subscribe my channel and like my video, and please make sure to watch the video by the end. And without making further ado, let's get started. Even though this video will be little long, but I need you to just give your time and watch the video fully. Let's get started. Guys, today's topic is gas in stomach. So raise your hand who have gas problem. Yes, don't be shy, don't sigh. Those of you who have gas in their stomach, means those of you who have this problem, get gas contained in their stomach after having food. So don't be worried, now solution has come, and it's very easy. This topic is not just random topic which which I am making video about. I can emotionally relate myself to with this. I can emotionally relate myself with this, because every single time I have food, so many times you won't believe, I just live eating food. I stay hungry because I know that once I eaten food, again I won't be sleeping, there will be gas in my stomach, and it's so embarrassing. It's not just embarrassing, it's so painful. I start to feel pain in my heart, in my stomach, in my back, everywhere. It's just paining. That's what I'm saying. So I will before I tell you about remedy, you must understand why it's happening. Okay, why it's happening in first place. Because if you are I gave you remedy, okay, you fixed it, but if you don't understand the cause, how long will you be using this remedy? So target is to give you real fact why it's happening. So listen carefully. I will give you remedy, but listen carefully. First you have to instantly you have to bring new rule in your life instantly. First one is, when you eat food, don't talk to anyone, okay? Because when you eat and when you talk, okay, then excess air goes inside your stomach, and that makes gas, okay? So when you eat, just stay quiet, okay? Once you have completed food, then after then you can talk with whoever you want to talk with. Second, once you have completed food, okay, then try to walk a little bit, okay? Doesn't matter you walk in your balcony, your veranda, or you walk in your alleys for a while, but walk. Don't just eat and tired go to your sofa or your bed. Don't just go like that, okay? Quit smoking. Don't smoke, okay? Don't smoke, because when you smoke, when you inhale smoke, you take excess air also in your stomach. So that's why that's why you must have felt after smoking you might be feeling bloating. I have heard this from so many that when I smoke, then I get good pressure in washroom. That's why I see so many before going washroom, they take one cigarette, then they go to washroom. They feel that they give this cigarette gives you pressure. That cigarette doesn't give you pressure. Cigarette make gas inside your stomach. That gas gives you pressure. So that's not good, okay? So that's what gives you gas problem. Fourth one, try not to have gassy food. When just try to seek in internet. I'll give you right now, but then this video will be very long. So all I need you to do research about what food gives you too much gas, okay? Don't have that food. Try to just take care of all these things. Now let's jump on 4 remedies, which is very simple, easy to get to. Just let's start with guys. Number 1 is CAROM seed. We Indian, we call it AJWAIN. It's really helpful because this contains thymol, and what thymol does is, this gastric acid, this gastric juice of this CAROM seed help in digestion. So simply you have to do, you have nothing, there is no preparation, because I see I see so many videos that they make cocktail, bring this, bring that, put this, put that, nothing like that. Simply just go to any grocery shop which you got nearby your home. After then just buy AJWAIN or CAROM seed. Simply after having meal, just take 1 teaspoon of CAROM seed and drink water. That's all. Okay, you can carry it all the time with you. Okay, simply carry this CAROM seed all the time with you, and whenever you feel this gassy problem, even though I will say you are not feeling this gassy problem, still after having meal, just try to have one teaspoon of CAROM seed. I know for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, your tongue or that your taste bud will make you feel bitter, but it's okay. Just feel just for 9 seconds, 10 seconds. After then you will feel relaxed, and you will never have this gas problem. Yes guys, number 2 is CUMIN seed. For this, we Indian, we call it Jeera. Drinking CUMIN seed or Jeera water is really helpful for this is one of the best gas, taking gas out of your stomach remedy. What you have to do, simply in this you have to do something. Just once you got CUMIN seed, After then, just take 1 tablespoon, just take 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, then boil it for 10 or 15 minutes with water. And once you have boiled it for 15 minutes, after then just strain the cumin seed or jeera out and drink that water. Once you have completed your meal, then have it. You will never feel gas problem in your stomach. What it does, it will digest your food in just 1 hour. You won't be feeling that your stomach is bloating or swelling. I can understand why I know all these things, because I have been doing it. I've been doing it every single time I eat. I used to get this problem, but since I'm trying all these things, trust me, there is no gas problem with me anymore. Yes guys, number 3 is ginger. Simply just, this is the best, this is the best gift from Ayurveda. What you have to do, simply take fresh ginger. After then, it's completely up to you. If you will ask to me, then I will say that after having just meal means I'm very lazy. So what I do, I just find ginger itself, I just wash it and I just chew it. Okay. But if it won't be if it won't be comfortable with you, then what I would suggest, simply boil that ginger, just smash it and boil it. Okay. After then you can have ginger tea. Okay. If you have time, then have ginger tea. Okay, by simply just smash ginger, boil it for 10 minutes. After then, you don't even have to drain, because cumin seed I told you to strain and throw, because cumin seed you can't have, but this one you can have. And once you have tea, after then simply just chew the ginger. Guys, 4th one is lime juice and baking powder. What you have to do, simply take 2 table or teaspoon of lime juice, and after then take 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Simply mix it in one cup of water and simply drink it, and you will see that instant, the moment you have eaten, you will be getting so many burps. You can feel that all the gas, all the excessive gas which you brought while eating, all gone in just 2 or 3 minutes the moment you will have this juice. It's so helpful. Yes guys, what 4 remedy I told you, you people, I don't understand. You look for so many remedies. Listen, I could have given you just 1 remedy. The reason I gave you 4, like suppose you gone to kitchen. Okay, I gave you 4 options, not for you to try all of them. Just simply pick which is available right now in this moment in your kitchen. Like suppose you go to kitchen, you ask cumin seed from your mom. Your mom says no, it's finished. Okay, then try to go on CAROM seed or ginger or lemon or that's all. Means all I'm saying, definitely, if you are living in earth, if you are living in this planet, then definitely in your kitchen one of them will be there all the time. That's why I give you 4 best remedy which works super fast in just second or in just minute. But with so many those who are suffering from this gas problem, and when they go to doctor, they say that you have to do X-ray, you have to do this test, that test, okay, or this might be cancer, or there might be stone in your kidney, because when you consume gas, or when you have gas in your stomach, what happens? You start to feel pain in your chest, in your back, or in your heart, all the way. Okay, and even doctor can tell you what's going on without test. So that's what I'm saying. It is very simple if you following all this thing, and it become very complicated even though for doctor if you're not following. So pick one and bring this in your daily routine. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you want me to make some video, then please write in comment. Thank you.